guys, welcome back to our video.
Hey guys, time for videos here, and today we're going to be doing the fries challenge. So I have
Gene.
and behind the camera is my sister Shirley from the previous video, like 2 videos back. So before we get into this video, make sure to like, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and comment down below what should we do next. Blindfolds on.
That's my hair looking.
That's my heart looking.
Okay.
Put some flavor to these crispy, dusty fries.
Okay, first fry.
Oh, you're recording already?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. First fry.
I already have my hand out.
What the heck?
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, this is a scrawny little fry. No salt. Look there.
Wendy's.
Wendy's.
I know Wendy's when tasted. Yeah, Wendy's.
Wendy's.
It might be McDonald's.
No,
McDonald's. It has to be McDonald's.
no, Wendy's. I know this taste. I know the bitter taste. Wendy's.
I would also say Wendy's is
It's either Wendy's or McDonald's.
Okay, blindfolds off.
Oh, dang
Told you.
it!
Okay, the second one. Oh, too bad.
Ew.
Oh, this is a
What
stiff
the?
one.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh, okay. I know what this is. Okay, I know the size.
Where did we even go? I don't remember what we got for Christmas. This might be McDonald's.
This
No.
has to be Steak and Shake.
Steak and shake.
Actually, yeah, because it's so like crunchy and like skinny.
Mm-hmm. All right, can we take our breakfast off?
Yes.
Oh, dang! It was McDonald's.
I was right the first time. I'll take it back. Third one.
Can I have some more?
Feed four. Ooh, this is a nice squishy one.
Wait, hold up.
Okay, I know the
You
flavor.
get a feel to this?
Mm.
Mm-hmm.
This is
Where else did we go?
Burger King, Wendy's,
Burger King.
Burger King. Can we take a breakfast?
Ah, I knew
Burger King.
Yeah.
I knew it because
I know the Stella ass fries whenever I taste them.
Fry. Oh yeah, fourth one.
Oh, I know this one. I know this one.
Mm.
Oh wait, no. I know this one. Can I say it? Arby's.
Arby's? Again?
Arby's.
Yup.
Yeah, what Arby's gonna be? Okay, no.
Knew it.
I said again because we gotta retake it.
Do it. Do it. Do it.
You're not
Do it.
bad. Okay, the fifth one. Where's mine? Where's the phone?
Alright.
Brenna. If I was a
Okay. Okay. Wait. Hold up.
I know this one. I know this one. Wingstop.
Oh, definitely. This season.
Okay, ready?
Seasoning.
Yes, Wingstop.
Mm-hmm.
I know the flavor because it tastes like sweet, and it also tastes like salt.
Yeah, it tastes like a fish's.
What?
Good. There's
Okay.
2 more.
Those were good.
Oh, I know what you.
I think I know.
I can hear it.
Oh, man. Mix it up, mix it up. It's okay, I don't know. Zaxby's.
Zaxby's.
I know most Zaxby's fries.
What is this
No,
fry?
no.
Hold up.
You got some Jack sauce?
Zaxby's. Oh wait, can you give me Zax sauce?
Mmm.
It was obviously Zaxby's.
Mmm.
All right, can I open my blindfold?
This really makes
sorry.
my teeth.
Okay.
Okay. It was Zaxby's.
This really butters my
Oh, what
teeth.
is it?
Zaxby's.
Wait, Zaxby's? Take a break.
Take a break. Break time.
They're pretty good. I'll have to give it to you.
Mhm.
Is there one more left?
Yep.
Oh, the worst or the worst?
Everybody's
Everybody's
Last fry. Ew, Gene.
This is a dainty ass
Here you go, Gene.
fry. What is this? A toothpick?
Hold up.
Okay.
All right.
Steak and shake.
Oh, hold on. Let me tell you something. This fry, if you can even call it that, if it even has the respect and dignity to call itself that, has offended my taste buds. In the history of friedom, this is the most awful fry I've ever had. I mean, honestly, whoever made these fries should quit. These are not fries, okay?
That's just a steal.
So you guys know what it is?
Hell yeah.
Yeah.
Steak and shake.
Steak and
fries.
shake.
Okay? Point blank.
Work.
Okay, so we're gonna pick our favorites. My favorite would have to be the Wingstop or the Zaxby's.
I think in order of best, please. I think it has to be Wingstop, Zaxby's, and Arby's. They just are. Like, they don't need explanation. Where's the steak and shake ones? These?
These are not
The worst. Like, what is this? Burger King? They're better than McDonald's. Let me give you that. I think in order to be like steak and shake, McDonald's. What is this? Arby's. Oh, the curly fries?
Wendy's was not that bad.
Like that. What is? Hey, Arby's, right? Right? It'd be like this. Like that?
No. Mm-mm. Oh, let me tell you something. All right.
Let us hear it.
Downright disrespectful. Unclassy.
How about Arby's?
It's a nice. Reliable.
We'll never do you wrong.
You lusty.
These fries were actually pretty good.
Huh?
Well, I showed you like better.
Fucking fries. Yo, Arby's though?
Arby's were really
I'll
good.
just pull in. I like that. I really do.
Yeah.
What you said.
Alright, so that was the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe to my post notifications, and comment down below if you did this. And thank you guys for being in my video. Bye guys!
Is it where?